This part here, I'm just going to show you how I apply the epoxy once I have the twine all wrapped around that fitting. I call it a fitting because it is a fitting. There you see the piece is still straggling out. It doesn't want to hold so well. But that's again why I'm going to have some more epoxy on there. Just going to make sure that it's gets a little more epoxy. That hemp cord is going to absorb the epoxy, you know, kind of like a paper towel would absorb water, something like that. You see there, I'm putting it on there, just trying to get that little piece of cord to hold. Have the gloves on. You got to have the gloves on when you're working with epoxy, or any glues for that matter. Want to have a long sleeve shirt on. You could get those gloves anywhere. And the gloves are multi-purpose. You could use them on projects. You could use them on cleaning. Even the paper plates. I like to use the paper plates and the plastic forks and knives. There's a lot of different ways you could apply it. But there I go. I'm just putting some on there just to make sure that that hemp cord is going to have a little bit of a stronger, it's not going to move basically. So when you mix up that epoxy, you know, it takes a little bit of time to set, but you don't want to waste a whole lot of time. You want to mix it up. Once you mix it up, it becomes active, and then you want to get it on there. It has like it's hard to say what the feel is of it. Kind of like, no, I can't think of it off the top of my head, but you'll be able to apply it on there just as you see me doing with the plastic knife. Again, if you got old little pieces, little thin pieces like popsicle sticks, you know, those always make good tools, so to speak, to do projects like this. Whenever you're working with glue, you know, gives you a reason to go get some popsicles, right? But yeah, I'm just pushing it around, trying to get that last little strand to hold. It was a big booger. But there you go, you see it, I'm getting it on there. And once that sets up, it's gonna hold pretty good. I'm taking the gloves off, as you could see. There's Rocky, my snow dog. And there I'm just showing you how it's kind of got that glossy look on there. And it's going to have that glossy look. But once you're done, I think that joint is going to hold strong. It's like almost too much. You wouldn't want to do that much, but for a project that you want to last, you might not see anybody doing this anywhere. But I had the idea. I thought, I got tired of just using the glue and sticking the glue in there, and then it would come out. I didn't want to drill into it. I could have tried that and drilled into it and put a dowel in there of some kind. But I just wanted to use something that I thought about. Try something different and see how it works.